Hey everyone, Cody from Mactelecom Networks. Today we're going to have a look at a very exciting new Unifi Protect application 5.2 update. This brings a lot of great new features and one that I've been asking for a long time, and that's the automatic video archiving. So let's jump right in. The first thing that we're going to take a look at is the integration between Unifi Protect and Unifi Access. Within our Protect application, we could now see our Unifi Access readers. So if I click on it, we could see a live feed right here and you could see Mocha sleeping. But this will also do recording. So I have it set to always. A lot of people have been asking for this and I'm glad that they brought it. It will also show us door unlock event. So let's click to unlock and then go look at the playback. So going over to the playback, you can now see under detections that I have two different detections for a door opening. I think this is a great new feature. This next one is really cool. If we click on people and then click on faces, we have the ability to upload an image and it will bring up that person if it's found. So all we need to do is click here and search by photo. Once clicking there, it's going to ask us to either drag and drop, which I'm going to do, or we could browse our files. So I'm dragging and dropping a picture in right now. It's just my face that I took from one of these cameras. We're going to press confirm. And then if it matches any of that, it's going to bring it up like you could see right here. So you could see every single picture there is of myself. This is really great if you're searching for a person of interest. Now, the same thing goes for our license plate searches. We now have the ability to upload a CSV file to search for different license plates. I'm going to click on that. And we could either browse files or we could download the template. So let's do it. Now in the template, we see the license plate, the vehicle name, and then we see vehicle of interest. I'm going to put my license plate in. We will have blurring in there, but you will see how this works. Okay, I've now put my license plate in and I've named the vehicle Cody. I'm going to save this file and then we're going to upload it and see what results it brings us. Now I'm dragging and dropping that CSV file in there and then we're going to see what it brings up. And it does bring up my license plate, which you can see the name Cody. It's not a vehicle of interest, but we do have 20 detections and you can see the type of vehicle that it is and the last time that it was seen. That is a really cool new feature. Now, another thing for security, we could go under our system in Protect and we now have the ability to do encryption on our camera stream. So secure the stream between the camera and your MBR to prevent unauthorized access on your local network. This doesn't support your G3 or G2 models of cameras. So if you want to do that, all we need to do is check the box off and then press apply changes. The next update allows us to create alarms based on line crossing, loitering, and smart detection zones. So I have my G4 Doorbell Pro PoE brought up. I'm going to click on add crossing lines and we're going to put in 2 here. So I'm going to click on there. I'm just going to drag it down to the front of my step and that's going to be number 1 and we're going to save. We're also going to add a second one. So we'll click on add and this one will be more towards our street to capture some cars. Now with that saved, we could go into our alarm manager and then we need to create a new alarm. From here, we're going to do an activity and this activity is going to be the line crossing. Under the line crossing, we could see our G4 Doorbell Pro PoE and this little 2 because there's 2 areas that we could choose. So if we click on it, we could either choose both of them or we could choose one of the line crossings, which is a great feature to the alarm manager. And the alarm manager has come a long way since the first release, if any of you remember that. Another thing within alarm manager, they've added history for our alarms that we have created. So you could see right here, I have 1,134 motion. If I click on that, it's going to show us the history of all that motion and which camera was it done on. Another minor change that they made is they've added the timeline to our detection player. So you could see down here, it says 7:58 p.m., but we could also scrub through all of our footage right from the detections if we'd like. I think this is nice and people are really going to like it. And I've saved the best for last, and this is the ability to archive selected events automatically. So what we're going to do first, we're going to hop over to my UNAS Pro and we're going to create a shared folder. You'd see at the top, I have a shared drive and I'm just going to call this Unifi _Protect _backup. I'm going to enforce a limit on this. I'm just going to give it 4 terabytes and then we're going to save that and press add. Now that that's added, I'm going to go back to my NVR and we're going to click on the settings wheel. From the settings wheel, I'm going to click on my system. And under system, we could see archiving right there. And I don't have anything linked right now, but I'm going to click on add account. So you could either do this to Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or another NAS. Obviously, I'm doing it to my UNAS, so we'll click on NAS and then press Next. I need to put the IP address in, which is 192.168.10.133, my username and password, and press Connect. Now that it's connected, I need to choose the share that I want it to save to, and that's going to be my Unifi Protect backup, and then we're going to press Confirm. All right, now that we have our NAS linked into our UMVR, we need to select this continuous archiving. I'm going to press Enable, and then we need to select the cameras that we want it to do on. I actually want it to do on all of the cameras, so we're going to press Select All and then Save. But the detection types, the only thing that I care about is going to be a person. Once that's done, I'm going to press Save and I'm going to apply the changes. We need to archive it to my NAS. You can see that down below, and then apply changes. And that's going to be my video on this new Unifi Protect application update, and they have brought a whole lot into this. The video automatic archiving is great, and that's the biggest one to me. But also the integration with Unifi Access, I've been looking for that for quite a while. Let me know down in the comments below what's your favorite new feature. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, thanks.